Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I am making some Easter baskets for my grandkids for Easter. And I am going to give you guys or show you guys some of the stuff that I will be using. And I got these things from Walmart, and also I got some of the things from Ross. They are some very beautiful items that I got for the grandkids for their baskets. So I want you to follow me on this basket making for my grandkids. So here is some of the items that I will be using, and I will let you know what store I got these items from. Okay, guys, hold on. Okay, guys, here I am going. This is the Easter grass that I will be using, and it has a chocolatey smell to it. So I will be using these for the baskets at all, and I still have some left. And I got all of these items here from Walmart. This is for my oldest granddaughter here, because I try to get her more of the bigger girl stuff. And these two items here is for the boys. This is an item that my husband got from a store that he loves. So these items, and these also have candy in them as well. And these candies here that I will be using, that I got from Walmart as well. And this is an outfit that I got for True, and I got him two to go in his Easter basket. And I also have for Paris, oh, and also he has the stuffed animal here for him. And these are Paris's outfits here, along with a stuffed animal. And she have like the little dress, and also the sandals and some shoes. And I also bought her some more sandals here and some little bowls, because her mother love her to have head wraps. And yes, and these baskets here y'all see in a haul that I got from Ross. These are the ones with the bunny ears. I got those for the babies, True and Paris. This is Paris one, and that one there is True, and this is Kobe, and this is my oldest granddaughter here. So these are the items that I will be using to make their baskets with. Yes. Yeah, these are the I will be making their basket with, guys. So it's not like a whole lot of candy, because we don't do a whole lot of candy in the items, but these are the stuff that I will be working with. And look, this is True's here, and it's just like Paris. It's with the ears. And this one is Kobe. It has like the bunny butt on it. So guys, if you like to see how I put these baskets get together, guys, just keep on watching, guys. Yep. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations.
machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, nah. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, 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 love. Give me your love, 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 love. You're stuck in the middle. Yeah, you're stuck in between. Things can only get better if you know what I mean. Once in the air, you realize what you want, the things that you dream of, and the things that you don't know. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. Ooh, I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, 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 love. Give me your love, 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 love. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, 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 love. Give me your love, 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 love,
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself.
Okay guys, now we have come to the end of this video. I am giving you the reveal of how each one of the baskets turn out. I think they turned out pretty good, and the kids was so excited. And also guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. And I hope each and every one of you have a blessed Resurrection Sunday. Give God all the praises, guys, and I hope everyone is happy and know what Easter represents. Until the next video, guys, be good or be good at it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy Easter Day, guys.
Come to the